Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be diving into some awesome, easy, and affordable Dollar Tree organization ideas. These are super awesome, so I'm super excited to share them with you. Walking inside of the store, Dollar Tree always has a ton of stuff for organization, like bins and little drawers, stuff like that. This is a new item that I found, these large candy jars with the gold lids. These are absolutely beautiful, and this is the first for me. Let me know if you have seen these before or not, because these are a really good find to organize some stuff in your kitchen. And you can see that the lid easily goes on and off. Just keep in mind it doesn't have the rubber band around the lid where it like seals shut, but all we need is a lid, right? So it can keep it nice and safe and fresh inside. So in the first one, I'm going to place down my coffee, and these are a really nice size because it fit both of these bags of coffee. So in case you needed a little reference, one of these bowls from Dollar Tree will fit 2 bags, which is not bad at all. So you are holding a lot of the product inside and keeping it nice together and organized, and you won't have to have 2 separate bags in your shelf space. So now that we did that, you do have to shake it a bit so it can settle, and you can place some more and then easily place it in your cabinet. And I really love how these look. And if you wanted, you can take some sticker letters from Dollar Tree and place down the word coffee and sugar. But for this one, I'm just going to keep it nice and simple, something that you can do fairly quick without having any extra work to do. So that is my point for these organization videos. But if you want it, you can definitely do so, and it would look really nice. As you can see, they look beautiful in the cabinet now in these jars. Moving right into the next organization hack or DIY that you can do, I picked up these little squirt bottles that you can get. These are not from Dollar Tree, however, these are from Five Below, but they were $1 a piece. And Dollar Tree does have ones that are similar, but they are selling for $1.25, obviously. So these are a bit cheaper for about the same size bottle, if not exactly the same. The only thing is these ones squirt and the other ones have a pump. In my previous video, I did show you how to use those bottles in case you wanted to check that out. I would have it linked below. But for these bottles, I had an idea to, let's say you were traveling and you are staying somewhere and you need some laundry detergent, some softeners, some fabric sheets. You can have it on hand when you travel with these perfect little bottles that are the perfect size, and you don't have to spend extra money to go ahead and buy them. They usually sell like the little mini bottles of detergent, which is like a Dollar Tree has them for $1.25, but when you always have these, you can keep refilling it from your home and just take these when you travel. So that was my thought process for these, and I thought it was a really cool idea to always have whenever you are on the road. So you can see we put detergent, softener. Now we are taking the fabric sheets and rolling them up so they can go nice and easily inside of the bottle. And I do recommend you to just put them straight up, so that way if it's sticking a little bit off the lid like that, you can just easily pull them out like this and place some more back inside, and you can cover it to keep it safe with the lids. Now that we have all 3, we can place them inside of a little travel bag. This is from Dollar Tree, and I really like the color. I like how it's clear with the red. They also have it in black if you wanted to pick that one up, but I thought that the bottles would fit nice and snug inside of the pockets that are in the front of this bag. So I thought it would be perfect for showing you these organization hacks with these little bottles to place inside of here, because you can see just how snug it fits, so they won't barely move around. And inside of the big pocket, you can place down some clothespins. These are from Dollar Tree in case you wanted to hang some of your clothes to dry. You can have it on hand. Next up, we have a couple stuff from Dollar Tree, like this 4-grip plastic rotating hook. Say that 4 times fast. They come in a two-piece, and I thought these were super cool to find because it's such a space saver for wherever you want to use it in your house. Obviously, you might use it in your closet space to hang some stuff. And I also found this little basket with the handle, which was a very nice find as well, because you can place down whatever, like your little essentials for cleaning. I just threw some stuff that are random in here just to show you, but you can place down your cleaning supplies, some laundry stuff in your laundry room. And you can see I did just that. This is the laundry space, and I placed it over that hook. Now for this basket, I did place it over two of the hooks, as you can see up there, so it can sit more sturdy, but it worked perfectly fine like that, so you can easily place down some stuff and grab it whenever you need it, and it's right in your sight, so you don't forget where you put anything and you're just scrambling to look for something whenever you are washing clothes. And you can also use this to hang up your clothes whenever you are sorting them in the laundry room. You can rotate it so it's easy for you to reach different stuff, and I love it. You would have to let me know if you've seen these at Dollar Tree. I know you're looking for the perfect gift right now this holiday season, so I have just the thing that you are going to want to gift this holiday season. This is the fridge beads magnet that you can place on your fridge or wherever. Really, it has a magnet in the back, and you can see you can completely customize it to however you like, and it plays music. I'm gonna stop it right there though because I don't want to get copyrighted, but you can place whatever song you would like it to play, which is so nice, and you can customize it with your photo and text, which is so nice again, my friend. And I fell in love with this little gift when Fridge Beats reached out to me to partner up. I said yes, but then when I received it, I actually fell in love with it. You can see it has a little USB type C port. You can also play different music whenever it's plugged in right there, and that is the magnet in the back. Now on their website, they do have these for $19.95, but you can use my code to get 10% off of that, which is a steal, my friend, because $19.95 for this honestly is a great price. And you can see all of the different templates that they have on their website as well, so you can choose whichever that you would like to gift, because let's say you are gifting it to your best friend, your mom, your dad. It works for everyone, and they have a variety of themed templates, so you can gift it for Christmas, Valentine's Day, an anniversary, wedding. So I absolutely love these, my friend, and I know whoever you gift it to will as well. So do go check them out. They are going to have my special discount, so you don't want to miss out on that while that's going on. The link will be in my description box below, because you're going to want to check them out once you are done watching my video. This is an absolutely amazing gift, and I'm sure your loved ones will love it. I'm sure you guys know that I don't, promote anything or show anything to you guys unless I'm actually happy with the product. So I just want you to know that whenever I do partnerships, it is genuine and not biased. If you want, you can check them out with the links in the description. Now, with that being said, let's move to the next one of these organization DIYs. I have there, you saw some little containers with the lids from Dollar Tree. They do come with a fair amount in the pack. They come with 10. So I'm gonna show you how you can just organize some stuff that is just maybe sitting around and taking too much space with the package it's already in. So you can see in the first one I did place down some nails. In the second one I'm placing down some thumbtacks. And what I like about these little containers is that they're so small but big at the same time. They fit a good amount, and those nails were 1.5 inches and it fit inside perfectly. Now I'm going in with some sticker letters. I'm just going in with some random stuff to show you. And I thought that having these little containers, if you want to place, like those sticker letters, the thumbtacks, some different stuff to place inside of your work desk for whenever you need it, you can have it inside of a little drawer, and it's always organized for you and ready to go. And if you wanted to organize dad's tools and not have all of his screws, nails, and stuff mixed up, you can definitely do that with these little containers. I'm also going to place in here these hair rubber bands because they do come in this package that once you open it, it's really hard to close, and the package is just so big anyway. So I'm going to place half inside of one and half in another so we can easily place them wherever we like. And again, if you are using this in your work desk and you are at work, let's say you are having an allergy headache or something and you need something fairly quick, you can easily open your drawer and have your medicine in this container, which is awesome. So I did place some of those in there nicely, and you can see them all. They do stack up nicely as well. So if you wanted to stack a few inside of a drawer, that would be a nice space saver for you, and I absolutely love it. So we're gonna go ahead and take these glass jars from Dollar Tree. These are similar to the larger ones that we did for the coffee and sugar in the beginning of the video, but these are glass instead, and they are a bit smaller. I am thinking that if you are having a get together or some type of occasion, you can lay them down on the side because it does have that flat surface, and you can easily place down your utensils for your guests to grab. So you can place down a couple different stuff. You can place some straws, some forks, knives, some napkins even, so your guests can easily grab it and place them back. And let's say if you didn't want to use it for that, you can use it for your own real utensils as well, for if you are having guests over, or just for everyday use. You can have your main utensils inside and you can place them down to the side as well so you can grab it. Now the last thing I wanted to show you for these jars is you can place down your eye drops. I'm not sure if you use any, but if you do, you know how hard it is to find a space for these because they are fairly small and they just take up some odd space in your cabinet in the bathroom. So if you place them on here, close it up, and then place it somewhere nicely, you would always have it on hand, which I love because you will not lose them if you place them inside of this little container. If you've enjoyed today's DIY hacks for organization, do give this video a big thumbs up because it does help out my channel to reach new viewers, and I would highly appreciate it. And do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family, and I would love to have you. If you've made it this far into my video, it is time for our secret word for today. So this just lets me know that you made it this far and you stuck around and you spent the time with me, so that is highly appreciated too, my friends. So thank you. For today, it's going to be space savers. So comment that down below in the comments and I will know that you made it this far. And I know technically that is 2 words, but we'll just pretend that it goes together for today. And yeah, my friend, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Hit that like, subscribe button, and share with your family and friends if you've enjoyed. And I will see you all on the next one. Don't forget to check out Fridge Beats. The links will be in the description. And I will see you on the next one. Take care and God bless.